Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete data usage history in Android. First, open your phone's Settings app. You can usually find this by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the gear icon, or by finding it in your app drawer. Next, look for the Network and Internet or Connections option. Once you're there, tap on Data Usage or Mobile Data to see a breakdown of your data consumption. Now, let's clear data for specific applications. Within the data usage screen, you'll see a list of apps and how much data each has used, perhaps hundreds of megabytes or even several gigabytes. Tap on an app that you want to manage. This will take you to its app info page. From there, you can choose to clear cache and clear data. Be aware that clearing data will remove all of the app's stored information, effectively resetting it. Depending on your Android version, you might have an option to reset your network statistics entirely. This is often found by tapping a menu icon, usually 3 dots, within the data usage screen. Look for an option like Reset Statistics or Billing Cycle. Selecting this can clear the displayed data usage figures for your current period, giving you a fresh start. Remember, this only affects the local display on your phone. It's important to understand a few things. While you can clear your phone's local data usage history, this doesn't stop apps from collecting new data or prevent your mobile carrier from keeping their own records. Your carrier will always have a comprehensive log of your data usage. To better manage your privacy and data, regularly check your app permissions to ensure only necessary applications have access to your network. This helps maintain control over your digital footprint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.